How to use SketchUp on a Chromebook. In this lesson, I will be incorporating the use of Chromebooks. Starting in the 2018-2019 school year, all my students in my school will have possession of a Chromebook. Mobile devices have become a part of learning, whether it be on the iPad, laptop, or Chromebook. Having used them all, I feel the Chromebook is the most beneficial mobile device for a student because it is the lightest and most powerful mobile device with endless capabilities. One of the great features of the Chromebook is that it's predominantly web-based and it can run Flash and Java. All its storage is online, so all you need is a Wi-Fi connection. Unlike the iPad, which can't run Flash or Java, the Chromebook can, which I think makes it superior. In this lesson, you will be learning how to open up SketchUp and create a cube to a specific size. In this case, it will be 5 feet. Introducing new programs to use on the Chromebook to make designing and drafting faster and more efficient. Students will be given a brief explanation of what the app does, why we are using it, and what it lets us do for future projects. Here's an overview of the lesson plan. Like I said, students will access SketchUp using their Gmail accounts. Okay. They will understand the purpose of SketchUp and its capabilities. They will make a 3-dimensional cube and save all their work to their Google Drive. Okay. My aim for the class would be how to use SketchUp on a Chromebook. Students will take out their Chromebooks, log on to their computer, and go to the website where we will start and wait for further instructions. We'll ask for some questions like what are the names of computer drafting programs such as AutoCAD, FreeCAD, IronCAD, or SketchUp. What does it mean for the program to be cloud-based, that we can work on the internet, we don't have to store anything on the computer, we don't have to have stored programs in order to use the program. As long as we have a Wi-Fi connection, we can get the job done. SketchUp, I think, is the best program for this device because Google used to make the program and then another company took over it just to make the design and drafting aspect much better. And being that I believe that if you buy a product from one company and use their products together, they work better. But the students will also have to create a cube to a specific dimension. It's either a pass-fail assessment. They either understood what needed to be done or they didn't understand what needed to be done. I learned that using the Chromebooks is very beneficial for teaching digital drafting. I learned that using SketchUp as opposed to AutoCAD is a little bit easier to introduce the idea of designing if no one's ever had any background in designing before. Essentially because it's really simple with the click, drag, measure out the specific measurement you need, and press enter. Other programs, the software is a little bit more challenging, a little more difficult to use. This lesson was geared for an audience that is trying to start to use the design and drafting program and needs to get their feet wet by having a task to complete. This lesson can be used by other teachers who teach technology or 3-dimensional shapes. SketchUp ability to create detailed drawings and its compatibility with CNC router machines makes it a great power program to know. Making more lessons using SketchUp will only enhance the student's creative ability. And this is a picture of the final product of what all the students should have at the end of the lesson.